I spent some time exploring this token, and the combination of weekly burns, gamified staking, and NFTs make it stand out. But here's the full picture. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's hit it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Milk Mocha. Link to this will be in the description of the video. This project is introducing a token ecosystem that is inspired by the Milk and Mocha characters. And they are positioning itself at the intersection of the playful branding and the structured token design. Now, rather than relying solely on the hype, this token is actually released through the weekly pre-sale stages with fixed allocations. Now, one thing that I really love about them is if they have a pre-sale right now and they didn't sell all those out, the remaining tokens will be burned and you will be able to check it out and see for yourself how much are burned. That way you will be able to monitor the deflationary mechanism of this one. So guys, there are 40 weekly stages in total and each are offering a set number of tokens. And if the stage sells out early, the pre-sale automatically advances to the next phase. So just like what I mentioned earlier, when the token aren't sold, they are permanently burned on chain. So it reduces the total supply over time. And these burned events are displayed live on the project's dashboard. Now that is allowing the participants to track supply changes transparently and real time. So guys, staking is also designed as a gamified experience instead of just the usual, you put the tokens there and then you just wait, right? So they made it more interesting by making it a gamified experience instead of that static yield dashboard. So token holders can actually stake their assets to build and upgrade a virtual farm. Now, collecting the APY rewards as they are generated, and there are no vesting period. Now, that is enabling immediate reward claim and reinforcing the project's focus on accessibility and ongoing engagement. So, NFT collection is also built around the Milk and Mocha-themed, and they are planned as a key expansion of the utility. Now, these NFTs are intended to integrate into future mini-games and unlock additional ecosystem perks. Now, that is something that you want to make sure that you are always informed. And there's no easy way to always be updated than making sure you are following all their social media platforms. That way, when they have updates, when they have announcements, or anything and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. So by combining the tokens, the staking, and the NFTs, the ecosystem is aiming to encourage community participation in shared experiences rather than purely financial activity. Now, the project promotes high returns potential alongside its commitment, such as the smart contract audits and the KYC processes. So guys, again, you got to make sure that you are checking out their website, do your own research, and you can head on over to their white paper. This one has a ton of information that will definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know the project better on who they are, what they do, and what are the things that stand out, and that will be beneficial for you to get as much profit as you can from all of your investments. And of course, guys, you could click on this join presale and it will take you directly to this page where you will be able to make your purchases. You could connect your wallets and then very, very easy, guys, you will be able to make your purchases already. And as you can see, you have their burned HUGS token displayed right here. Okay, so guys, explore the pre-sale, the staking, and the NFT section to see how this ecosystem functions firsthand. And always research before participating. So guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.